What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. And today I have posted yesterday a tweet about $100. Should I give away the $100 or start a trading challenge? So one guy there commented that start a trading challenge and give away the profit from the challenge. So today we will start the trading challenge starting at $100. And I'm going to give away whatever profit will be made from this trading challenge. So wish me luck. All right, so I have opened an account on BITGET. This is a sub account. This is separate from the copy trading account, and right now I am looking at Bitcoin's chart. All right, this is high risk trade, guys, and this is not a recommendation. This is to show you the beginners, the newbies that don't know how to trade, don't know how to enter a position. And also this will include technical analysis about the trade setup. So looking at the Bitcoin's chart right now, let's use the here. All right, so looking at Bitcoin's chart, previously we have this cup and handle pattern, beautiful breakout right there. I'm still holding my long position in my Binance account, but if you wanna join me in this trade challenge, you can open an account in BitGet. The link, check out the link in the description down below. And if you want to use the indicator that I'm using in most of my chart Prime is the indicator. Also, if you want to gain access to VIP Discord, head on to Patreon. All the links are available in the description. All right, so right now let's check the 4-hour time frame, or let me explain to you first why I'm trading long position right now. So let's check first the Bitcoin weekly time frame, and I have shared this chart earlier. I have made a video on this one. Feel free to check it out. So Bitcoin is still trading in this falling wedge pattern. All right, and right now if you're going to check the weekly time frame, let me remove this one first. So if you're going to check the weekly time frame, we have a very successful daily candle, or the weekly candle, trading above all of this resistance, guys. To me, this looks very bullish for Bitcoin. And right now we have a zone resistance, green line at around this area. This is around $18,200 up to $18,800. This remains as major resistance right now for Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong, we are still in a bear market. What we're trading are small retracements like this. All right, so we're trading small retracements like this. We still need to break this major resistance trend line, or flip this zone resistance into a support, in order for BTC to at least reverse a trend. We are still in an overall downtrend. If you're going to zoom this out, we are still drop, a little bit of a rebound right there, another drop, a little bit of rebound, another drop, a little bit of rebound, another drop. Right now we are on this level, so I'm expecting a possible rebound up to $18,000 right now. Mostly are still expecting $10,000 for Bitcoin, but I'm gonna stay with my analysis here. I'm gonna trade this move ranges, guys. So I'm gonna trade this per range. I'm not gonna trade like 10,000. This is my target, $10,000, because that is like a huge move if you're trading leverage. And here, this will be our trading, or our playing field. This will be my playing field, guys. From 17,000 up to 18,000. So that's 10%. So we're playing within this range. So this will be the range for my trading, and this will be my playing field for trading for this week. All right. And we have also this support trend line. We have the support trend line. This, to me, will act as major support for Bitcoin. Once we see a daily candle or weekly candle closing below this trend line, then it is likely that Bitcoin will drop even further, move to the downside. But until then, right now, Bitcoin is just trading. Look at this weekly candle trading above all of these resistances. All right. And I'm still expecting a possible move up to 18,000. So let's see in the coming weeks. And by the way, I've posted very important updates or dates that you need to watch out for. Let me refresh you. I've shared it actually in our VIP Discord, also on my Twitter account. If you like to if you would like to know the latest update in crypto, in most of my trades, follow me on Twitter. Real-time updates are there. So January 12th, that's 2 days from now, US CPI report coming out. January 26th, quarter 4 GDP report coming out. So January 12th and January 26th are the dates that you need to watch out, upcoming dates, all right? So right now, here's my BitGet account. I have opened a long position. This is high risk, 50% chance, almost 4%, 4.2% gain versus stop loss at 3.58%. This trade is worth $15, and I have started with $100 here. I have opened a position here, 125x. Don't get me wrong. Most of you will misinterpret 125x leverage as a stupid trade or a super high risk trade. But you need to know that leverage is not directly equal to risk. You need to know proper position sizing, margin, and leverage combination. You can use also the calculator here, futures calculator on BitGet. So here, my liquidation price is 16,344. I'm using isolated position. So whatever may happen to this trade, it will not affect the remaining balance of $84 here. This trade is separate, totally separate. So I have a target, I have a stop loss at around 16,600. This will be around this area here, the last week, and below the support trend line, just in case. So my target right now is at $18,000. We have this previous resistance here for Bitcoin, and ideally I would like to enter long at around this area, but I'm very excited. So, and this is a small difference for me, so it's okay, and I'm still expecting a possible move to the upside. Right now Bitcoin is on the resistance, and why I'm calling this as a high risk trade, because right now we are on this resistance level, and Bitcoin could possibly get rejected from here and retest this area, $16,000 or $17,000 up to $16,700 for Bitcoin. So possible retest of support trend line is likely at around this level, but I'm expecting a breakout play. If ever Bitcoin goes back to this point, my stop loss is still safe, and if we break the support trend line, then it is likely that Bitcoin will probably change its direction to the downside. But for now, we are still in an overall uptrend. We have higher lows and higher lows and higher lows. We have a very successful break of resistance here, this level here. So this was the previous resistance. We had a very successful breakout, and this is the usual price action after a breakout followed by a bull flag, then continuation of move to the upside. First target will be $17,500. Second and final target will be $18,000. So not a financial advice. This is just a sample of how I usually do my trades, guys. All right, so this is live trade, and this is a trading challenge. Let's see if what will be the win rate. Will I be able to make $100? Will I be able to double it, or will I be able to reach $1,000? Let's see in the coming days. for now, I'm expecting a possible $18,000 target for Bitcoin. This is the major resistance right now that Bitcoin needs to break. This one, this line right here, $17,364 is the resistance that Bitcoin needs to break. All right. So if you enjoy this kind of content, like, subscribe, share this video, follow me in all my social media accounts. If you want to open an account in BITGET, check out the link in the description below. Try out, if you want to try out Chart Prime, also the link is in the description. If you would like to join the VIP Discord, head on to Patreon. All right. So let's actually check before we end this video. Let's actually check the premium or the smart money concept. Right now, we have the premium zone. In the 1 hour time frame, we have the premium zone at around 17,365, means that the price at around this area is overvalued and could expect a rejection at around this area. And of course, we have a huge order blocks at around this area, limit orders, institutional orders from 17,500 up to $18,200. We have a break of structure here. So let's see if this support or equilibrium area will be able to hold. This is in confluence with the dynamic reactor acting as a support. All right, so I'm gonna continue to update you. Like, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.